Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off Road. Today we're going to be talking about airbags. For the longest times, basically since we've gotten into this industry, there has never been a terribly great airbag option for those of you who are trying to add load capacity to the rear end of your truck, yet achieve good ride quality, full suspension travel, things like that. For the longest time, we just had to select two of the big box brands, throw an airbag cradle on it, hope for the best. There was always some downsides. And that is where Full Travel Airbag has come in with a completely, I'd say, basically revolutionary product compared to all the other options on the market, with a truly well-designed, engineered airbag solution for a variety of trucks. Like the name suggests, these airbags allow for full travel airbag solutions for your truck. Let's dive on into this. Full Travel Airbags is actually, as of now, a one or two man company, and essentially stemmed from a customer who put his own parts on his Super Duty, got an airbag kit to tow his toy hauler, put it on his truck and thought, there has to be a better option than this, right? Like, this cannot be the end all for airbags. As an engineer himself, he drew up a complete product, showed it to us, and we thought, this is genius. Here we are later, a few years later, Full Travel now has a ton of SKUs for a variety of trucks. Obviously, towing airbags, they've pretty much targeted the 2500 and 3500 trucks with a variety of year ranges. However, the Raptors have gotten extremely popular with truck owners all around the country, and Brad is slowly introducing part numbers for the Raptors as well. So essentially what this setup allows for is in the name, it's full travel, right? So again, the two big box brands that offer airbags out there, suspension travel is pretty much the lowest priority on their totem pole. They design a quick airbag setup. They don't even put packing material in the box. They throw your airbags, brackets, and everything in a box, and they ship it to you. Yes, it is cheap, but yes, you are also getting a cheap product. Again, we've seen a variety of options from these companies for all kinds of different years, and it really is just an acceptable solution for an airbag. However, when we put the parts that we install on trucks, parts that extend the suspension travel of the rear of the truck, it's a pretty big downside to utilize these kind of big box brand options. And so Full Travel, he engineers custom solutions for your vehicle to utilize the full suspension travel, again, but getting the load supplementation. The first product was, again, on Brad's Super Duty. So that's what I'm even running on my Super Duty. If you haven't seen that video, we do have in-depth videos for the different year and platform offerings that Full Travel offers. But the goal is essentially a removable lower mount. So when you're not hauling, you don't have weight in the truck, you have no ride detriment to the airbags, you get full suspension travel from your upgraded suspension. You could need to hook your trailer up, your boat up, slide that lower airbag mount in, and voila, you have a fully functioning load supplementation that allows you to haul your trailer, so you do get the best of both worlds. Shoot, for the Ram 2500, which was kind of a unique setup and really had terrible on the market options. The core principle of the Full Travel airbag setup is not just that you get the full down travel, it's that you get the full up travel that your truck allows for as well. Essentially, even some of these upstart airbag setups that I've seen online, those all come with bump stop drops where you're dramatically losing the up travel, and what that results in is just a poor ride. So again, at its core, you're either removing the complete airbag or the lower mounting bracket with the Full Travel setup. So when you're not towing, when you are towing, the setup is still engineered to utilize the full suspension travel. So it is essentially a zero compromise airbag system. I also need to mention that the airbag removal or the lower bracket removal is a toolless setup, right? So a lot of guys in the past have used some kind of bolt-in bump stops where you're under the truck with a ratchet. All of that goes out the window. You can simply reach in your wheel well, remove either the bracket or the airbag, and you're good to go. Again, these are a very cool airbag setup. We're running them on all of our personal trucks here that are towing, just because again, we're spending a lot of money on suspension that rides really nicely, but we do need that load supplementation sometimes, and it is again a zero compromise airbag setup. I do realize it is a little bit more expensive than a lot of the options on the market. Bear in mind, these are essentially made in America. They're machined, welded, fabricated all down the street from us. It's a small business. And they're also actually putting care into the airbag kit. Again, the two big brands that are out there, I'm not gonna mention their names, but you guys all know who I'm talking about. They quite literally take your airbag, the brackets, the bolts, throw it in a box, and they mail it to you. And it's acceptable at best. That is where Full Travel really is a high-end, high-quality airbag setup. Kind of like the spacer argument, why would you put an $80 airbag spacer on your $80,000 diesel truck? We're kind of at that same point with airbags. You have a truly engineered setup or a setup that just works. As always, there's different price points and we all have different needs, but if you found this video, you're probably looking for a high quality airbag, and I think this is gonna be the product for you. One of the most fun things about operating CJC is just finding unique products for these trucks, and Full Travel really is the summary of that. Again, it is a USA-based, local-based, just guy who wanted a better option. So it's very cool to find a solution for a problem that we've had so many headaches for such a long time. Those of you who've been longtime followers, you all know that the Ram 2500, the 2014 and up one, that is one of the worst airbag solutions from all the big box manufacturers. Now we have a setup where we actually can slide the whole airbag out. You can go and party on the weekend with your truck, put your airbag in, and tow your trailer home. It really is just the coolest setup out there. If I didn't hit any of the points that you're looking for on your specific truck, check our channel out. We have in-depth videos on a lot of the different platforms, or you can leave a comment down below, shoot us an email, give us a phone call. We'll be happy to help you out. Again, these are gonna be the Full Travel airbag setups. And yeah, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.